Okay, here we go. Oh, bless you.
Guess who came last night? It's Christmas, buddy. Merry Christmas.
Good morning.
Merry Christmas. I think Santa came for you. I think Santa came for you.
Just give him a minute. Good morning. Do you remember what we told you last night when you went to bed? Santa came. He brought you a present. Do you want to come look at it? Should we go look at Santa's present?
Santa left you something under the tree.
Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Should we go see what Santa left?
Santa left you something under the tree.
Go ahead of him so you can get his face. Okay. Ready? Let's go see. Okay.
Come on.
Come on. Let's go see. Okay, let's go see then what Santa brought.
What are they?
What is this? Did you know that Santa brought this for you? Cool.
Eli, you can turn it on. Watch. Watch, you can turn it on. Ready? Okay, watch. Look at it go. It'll go over the bridge. Look at it.
Choo-choo.
Watch. It goes over the bridge. Oh. You want this one too also?
Cool. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't fit over that, though. We have to lift it over.
We're going to have to fix that. I'll fix that. Nope, it doesn't make it through there yet. This is actually the train for it right here.
Cool.
See this train? And your other trains will fit on it too. We'll have to go fix this one.
Do you love it? Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Uh-oh, give it a push. Choo-choo! Do you love it? Thomas!